Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a little trick that I did. I don't know if it's a trick or not. Okay, so this is a canvas. It still had plastic on it, and I just used it as a dumping kind of surface for any drips, you know, from my paintings, resin paintings that is. So what I'm doing now is just cutting this plastic. This was all covered in plastic, so just showing you that how you can save your skins, because it comes off really easy off that plastic. I'm just trying to get it all off the sides. This is not a painting. This is going to go in the bin. But just to show you that you can, if you get some really cool. Oh well, that one went through. Okay, some of it went through the plastic. Right, so let's see, just turn it over, let's see what happens here. Just trying to get it off the sides. I don't think it's going to affect it that much, but I'm just trying to be a little bit more careful and show you. Okay, it's happening. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Just be careful you don't get cut, because these shards are quite sharp. I'm just trying. I need another hand. Oh, there you go. It popped right off. There's my canvas underneath, which is pretty messy now. Somehow that kind of leaked, probably from a torch. And now I just pop this right off, and that's actually, this side is not too bad. Look at that. Don't you think that's interesting? Now I can use my scissors, because these are quite thin on the side here, so I can just like cut that off. So it's already been about, I'd say, a couple of weeks since I've done this, and I'm just cleaning up my studio, and I thought, oh, I might just do a quick video and just show you guys how I did this. So you've got a really big, huge skin to do with whatever you want. You can make a really nice large mosaic with this. So obviously some of the bits that are a little bit thicker, they're a bit harder to cut, but then you can sand those. Oh, it's easier this way. And they're flying everywhere. So much for me cleaning. I'm good at making a mess, that's for sure. Okay, and then do this side. So you kind of turn it around and see what works best for you. And some people would probably just heat this area a little bit, and then push it down, smooth it so it's nice and smooth, or you can just go around and sand it. So there you have it. Look at that. Wonder what to do with this now. What to do. So I'm probably just going to put it aside for now, and I'm sure I will come up with something pretty interesting to do with this one. So anywho, that was just a quick tip. I'm sure if you watched any of my, or if you watched the, I think it was the couple of videos back where I actually used this canvas to kind of pour off some resin, and that's where that came from. Alright, let me know what you think about this idea. I will do a real video soon, and hope to see you all there. Bye for now.